Hey, I'm Simon and I'm back at AirBeamTV with some great news. Our most popular app, Mirror for Samsung TV, now has its own receiver app, which you can install to your Samsung Smart TV to make for even better performance when mirroring your iPhone or your iPad. The great news is, if you already have the app installed on your iPhone or iPad, then installing the receiver app on your Samsung Smart TV is free of charge, and it'll work on all Samsung Smart TVs from 2015 onwards. Plus, it'll also work with our Mirror for Mac app, which you can get exclusively from our website. Link is in the description below. That also comes with a free trial. So let's take a look. If you have the app installed on your phone, open it up. If you don't, you're going to want to install that from the App Store. Here's the app on my phone. It's connected to the same Wi-Fi network as the TV. So the TV shows up straight away, TV Samsung 2017. So I tap that, connecting to your TV. So if you've never connected your TV to your phone before, you will have to give permission by clicking allow, and then we're off. TV found and connected. So we click next step on the phone. We click allow notifications on the phone while it's doing its little dance here. Allow. And there we go. The connection has been established. So once we've clicked allow on the TV and the connection has been established, we head back to the main menu on the TV and we'll look in on the app where it says, for best experience, install AirBeamTV app on TV. If we tap that little notification, it will give us a pop-up on the screen here which says install AirBeamTV mirroring receiver app, and it will take us automatically to the install page on the TV. So we'll click OK on the phone, and on our TV we'll click install. It might say download also, depending on which TV you have, and that will install the receiver app onto our TV pretty quickly.
Moments later.
Now that the receiver app is installed on the TV, we can head back to our iPhone and tap select Mirror Samsung TV and start broadcasting. That will give us the countdown in the app that we always get, and it will also load the receiver app onto our TV. Now this might take a couple of seconds the first time it opens, but once that connection is established, it will be super speedy. So there's the app loading on our TV, and as soon as that goes, there's our iPhone screen. So now we can get into the classic iPhone mirroring. So we will head to Safari. Let's open up Vimeo, as we love to do. Press play on a video there, and we turn the volume down on the phone, up on the TV, and we'll have the sound coming out of the TV. Volume down. Full screen, please. Rotate our iPhone. The same thing happens over here. And there's my iPhone mirrored onto the TV. Easy. As ever, if you have any questions or queries, feel free to get in touch via email or Facebook Messenger. Links in the description below. And also the link to download our Mirror for Mac app from our website with the free trial. And hey, there's also a receiver app for your LG TVs. I've made a video about that too. It's linked here, possibly here. It's somewhere here. In the meantime, happy mirroring.